All right, the second one, they're basically asking us to make an excluding circle. So in other words, we're going to have an arc which is going to look as though I'm giving it a backhand against there and a backhand against there. And it says that you're going to construct a concave tangent with a radius of 110 millimeters to exclude both of these circles, A and B. So when we're excluding, we are going to add the two radii together. So to do that, I'm going to start out and I'm going to just draw a little construction line coming out from A over there and a construction line coming out from B over there. Okay, hopefully I've made that long enough because that 110 is quite a long distance to, so just make sure that you've drawn long enough construction lines. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 110 millimeters. There we go, 110 millimeters. And if I just drew it from the center, that would be 110. But if I'm going to add on a radius, I'm going to add that radius to my 110. Make a little mark over there. So I've got the small radius over here, plus the big radius over there. Okay, so small radius plus the 110. Same story over here. There's the small radius going to the circumference. Mark that off. So I've got a small radius plus the big radius over there, and I've made that mark out there. Right, once I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pair of compasses, set them to that radius over there, and I'm going to draw a nice long arc coming around like that. Then I come to this B over here, and I'm going to wind it back to that radius over there, and I'm going to draw a nice long arc coming around there. Right, I've got an intersection point over here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set my pair of compasses to that 110. Note there's the 110 there. Check that, that's still the 110 there. And if I put my pair of compasses in at that point over there, my 110 radius is going to draw an arc which excludes both of those circles over there. Right, same story with this one. Let's just change the color over here so that you don't get confused with any lines. I'm going to draw a line coming out from C, nice long line there, and a line coming out from D over there. And it says that they're wanting a 100 millimeter radius. I'm going to set my pair of compasses to 100. Go to C over there, move out to the circumference, mark it off over there. So I've got a 100 millimeter radius going out 100 millimeters over there from the circumference to that point, plus the radius. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. There's my 100 millimeter radius on my pair of compasses. Move out to the circumference over there, mark off. So I've got small radius plus 100, this small radius plus 100. I now come into where C is. I extend my pair of compasses out to that radius over there. Draw an arc coming round, okay? Go to D over here, move them back to that point over there, and draw an arc coming around. Sorry, let's just see what I'm doing over here. That's not really working, is it? There it is. So I need to draw that out, and I need to take this, set that out there, arc that around, and there we go. There's my intersecting point, okay? So don't be shy with these arcs that you're drawing. Draw them all the way around, and there's my intersecting arc over there, all right? And now what I can do is I can set my pair of compasses to that 100 millimeters. Note the 100 there, and the 100 there. If I take that over here to that intersection over there, you'll see that I've got an arc which is going to arc around, perfectly touching both those circles in there. There we go. There's the arc.